Today I'm going to be reviewing GW Case. There's the tag there, a little upside down. Let me thank GW Case for sending this to me to review. This is for your KardiaMobile, any of these little portable EKGs. I actually have the old KardiaMobile. Really nice. I had the old case. I'm going to show you. This is as expensive. It's just junk, although it's nice because you put it in your wallet. But this, if you want something that's a little bit, better protection, it's got a really nice zipper on it. And it does come with this pill box. It's nothing special. It's just plastic, but it's one of those little extra things that they're thinking about. It also comes with a carabiner. I don't know if I see any use for me with that, but it's there. Maybe there's somebody who wants to hold it onto your bag. You need to have quick access to it. Now, this is just the case, not the actual KardiaMobile. It's approximately 4.5 by 2.5 by 1.1 inches. It is lightweight. It's not leather, but it feels nice here. It's a little soft material there. And just overall, a really nice package. This seems to do pretty well. It's got 4.7 stars, 739 reviews on Amazon. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.